up everyone? So today we're finally back with a cooking vlog where we cook local Filipino food. I know a few of you had been asking where the cooking vlogs were. Basically, since it opened up from coronavirus, we've just been out and about exploring beaches and stuff, so yeah, we haven't really been cooking that much, but yeah, today we're gonna cook right now. And once again, we're doing a vegetarian version of some of the Filipino food. So we're gonna be cooking one called Adobong Kangkong at Sitaw with tofu. So the ingredients, just like the name mentions, there's gonna be kangkong leaves, got loads of those here. And sitaw, I think, is string beans here in the Philippines. I think that means string beans, so yeah, we have that. And then we got the garlic and onion. Is that mainly for the adobo mix?
Adobo and also for the rice.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna do Brazilian rice. Yeah,
Brazilian rice as always. Got a kilo of that today. And yeah, here's a big block of tofu. Probably use all that. And then yeah, the usual sauces for adobo, so the soy sauce and the vinegar. Where should we start first?
With the rice.
You're gonna do the rice and I'm gonna cut the vegetables here. So the kangkong leaves, probably just use a bit of the stem of each leaf only and cut here. In case you didn't see our previous cooking videos, to do Brazilian rice, we just fry the onions and garlic first,
yeah,
right?
And then cook the rice inside.
Yeah. So we just let this fry a little bit, or a lot. So usually we let the onion fry a little bit longer, and then when that starts to get a bit brown, then we'll throw in the garlic.
Now we add the rice.
We do use salt in there right now as well. So we just fry it a bit together with the garlic and onion, and then yeah, after that, put the hot water in there.
We're gonna start cooking the adobong dish. We're gonna start with the tofu, frying the tofu, and then we're gonna do the rest to the other vegetables and the sauce.
Looks like the rice is pretty much ready, right?
Yeah, it's ready.
Yep. So we finished the tofu now. So we're just gonna fry the rest of the onions and garlic. Then we're gonna make and add the adobo sauce, the main ingredient, and then we'll add in the rest of the vegetables at the end.
So the recipe actually shows that we should put around 4 tablespoons of soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of vinegar. But I think we have more vegetables than the recipe says, so I think we're gonna add a little bit more, right?
Yeah, probably best.
Yeah, and taste and see if it's good or if it needs more.
Yeah. So we've now finished it. This is what it looks like. All a bit of a brown color because of the sauce. Carol's just serving the food now, the rice. So I'm gonna go first. I am very hungry. One thing to mention is we did add a bit of oyster sauce, I think 1 tablespoon. I'm not sure if that is common with adobo, but the brand of soy sauce that we bought this time, we thought it was kind of weak, and yeah, the sauce was tasting a bit weak, so that's why we decided to eat that. Anyway, we'll see how it tastes. Kangkong, I think it's a kind of spinach, right?
Yeah, water spinach.
Yeah, water spinach.
Good.
Yeah, it is. Seems like the kangkong has a very strong taste. But yeah, I can definitely taste the adobo sauce. Could probably be a little bit more salty for us. Me and Carol like our food a bit salty. Maybe that's the soy sauce that we mentioned was weak. Let me taste again the rice. Yeah, it's very, very good. We always like the adobo sauce. We've done a video once before, fish adobo, and we liked it then.
That one was very good.
Yeah, that one was very good. I think the fish adobo was better than this one, but we'll see what Carol thinks.
Okay, my turn. We get the kangkong, tofu.
You like it? Do you think the sauce could have been stronger, like I said, or it's probably the way we did it?
Yeah, maybe it's just like I said, the brand that we got, the
soy sauce.
Soy sauce brand is not so strong.
Yeah, usually we use a Filipino brand, right? But we couldn't find it.
This one is probably healthier, but the taste is not so good, so strong as the other one. But I mean, it's great. I think I would eat this again, and it's very tasty.
Yeah, nice and healthy too. And we also got a bit of alcohol, so Carol got this white wine here, Casa Lomata, wine of Chile. So she's going to be having that. And I've got my go-to beer here, San Miguel Pilsen. I always drink this the most.
They didn't have a wine glass here, so I'm going to have to use
cocktail.
that. Yeah.
Cocktail glass. The strength. Cheers to adobo.
Cheers.
I haven't showed you guys this resort in quite a while now. RC Villas and Resorts. Still looks absolutely epic from up here, even in the rainy season. It's actually made everywhere look a bit nicer now. It's very green. This before was just all dirt, so yeah, it is getting nicer and nicer with all the rain, even though we can't explore as much. It does look way better though. So that's it for this video. We are planning on probably making more cooking videos when we can do, and I think the next video will be kayaking. We're planning on doing some kayaking now that you're able to rent those, so yeah, that should be really fun. And if you're interested, yeah, stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't already. Follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next one.